Before countries became prosperous, they first learned how to feed their people. And before they transformed agriculture, they invested in science. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of African agriculture will not be determined solely by the size of our farm or the extent of our natural resources. It will be determined by the strength of our institutions, the quality of our science, and our willingness to invest consistently in knowledge.
We are transitioning from traditional, vulnerable practices to commercially viable, climate-smart livestock systems. This transition presents a massive frontier for investment. Nigeria is targeting to grow the sector from its current base value of $32 billion to $74 billion in 10 years. And this is achievable.
From the black soldier of life, we can have organic fertilizer that helps in the production of our crops, helps in the improvement of our soils, but then we can also use it as ingredients in the manufacture of livestock feeds.